the Elemake keyless entry mechanical keypad deadbolt. In today's video, I will review, talk about, and also show you guys how to install this lock the right way. And also stick till the end of the video because I'm also give away not one, not two, three, four, but 5 of those locks to you guys. So stay tuned. Okay, so the Elemake keyless entry mechanical keypad deadbolt. Now guys, as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, I do give away 5 of those locks. So make sure to stick till the end of the video and I will share how you can hopefully get one. Okay, let's move those locks out of the way and let's move on to the actual lock. So what makes the Elemake keyless entry mechanical keypad deadbolt different than the other keypad deadbolts out there? The first thing, this lock is only mechanical keyless entry deadbolt. So there is no battery required whatsoever. It doesn't connect to your Wi-Fi or your network. So basically it's just a mechanical entry lock. You will have to use your actual code to get in or the high security provided keys that the manufacturer include. They actually include 3 copies of this high security key, which is just great because it will increase the security when it's come to lock picking and lock bumping. So basically you can use the code or use the key to get in. Another thing you should know, this lock, it doesn't have the actual auto lock feature. So if you want to lock it, you will actually have to twist the knob to lock it. To unlock it, like I said, you can use the 4 to 8 digit code that you choose and unlocking the door. Now, when you choose in a passcode to get in, it doesn't matter the sequence that you're gonna put the numbers, it will still unlocking your door. So for example, if you choose 1, 2, 3, 4, you can also use 4, 2, 1, 3, and it will still unlocking your door. So the sequence, it doesn't matter, but still you can use only 4 to 8 digit. I do recommend to use only 4 because 8 will be much easier to figure it out and unlocking your door. Alright guys, I think we talked about all the features about this keyless entry mechanical deadbolt. Now let's move on to the installation and I will show you guys how to install it the right way. And another thing that you also need to know about the installation so you won't get stuck along the way. Coming up next. Okay guys, something very important to talk about, and actual I think it's the most important in the installation, is going to be the actual deadbolt. So the deadbolt that provided with this lock is adjustable, so you can adjust it to be 2 3/8, or if your door installation, just like in my case, is 2 3/4 backset, you have to twist it so it will be 2 3/4. Now, when you put the deadbolt inside, as you see in my case, and I think in most wooden door case, it's gonna be the same thing. It doesn't sit flat with the actual door. So you see it right here, even if I try to push it, doesn't go all the way in, and that's not the proper way to install it. So what you will need to do is basically to cut the wood a little bit inside so the deadbolt will go further in. And for that, what I use is this actual hole saw. It's a 1-inch hole saw that I use for door installations, and combining with my power drill, I'm just gonna make it a little bit deeper, and then I'm gonna chisel the wood a little bit, and I will show you the result right now. And guys, also don't forget when using one of those tools or any power tools as well, cutting tools, always use safety goggles, safety glasses, and that's pretty much it. All right, let's move on guys, and I will show you how it should look like so the deadbolt would sit flat, and we'll move on to the installation. After you're done with the drilling of the actual hole inside, this is how it's gonna look like. Now you can use the actual hole saw that I use, and there is other tools as well that I recommend, like the Carbide Burr. Also share a link, guys, where you can purchase it as well. And it's a very great tool, but you will need a power drill regardless. So when it's done, this is how it's gonna look like. And you can see when you're putting the deadbolt, sit flat, and this is really how it should be. Now, if your door is a right-handed door, so you are good to go, keep moving on with the installation, and also we set up your combination code. But if your door is going to be an actual left-handed door, so what you will need to do is basically twist it upside down. So this is how it should look like when you put it in. As you can see, the manufacturer include a plastic guard here. So if your door is a left-handed door, you're gonna have to twist it upside down and put it just like this, because otherwise it won't let you to put the actual lock and continue with the installation. So this is something very important to mention here, guys. So in my case, it's going to be a right-handed door. And of course, putting the screws. Okay, so to set up your own combination, what you will need to do is to actually remove this screw on the back panel and keep holding the actual plate with your finger so it won't fall off. That's basically releasing that plate. Just be careful. Okay, now carefully remove the plate, and what you will see basically is from 1 to 6 is going to be the brass wafers, and then all the way from 3 to B, that's the silver wafers. So the brass this is going to be your combination setup. Now, like I said, it doesn't matter the sequence, but the brass ones are going to be your combination. Now the manufacturer also include 2 silver wafers and another 2 brass wafers. So basically you can choose the length of the code that you want. So what we're going to do right now is we're going to remove all the brass ones with the actual provided tweezers. And let's say our combination is going to be 1B90. So B is one of the actual digits that you can choose. So 1B90, that's going to be our combination. So on number 2, we're going to put one of the silver. And also on number 6, we're going to remove the B and we're going to put it on 5. Okay, so basically what happened now is that you only have left 1B9 and 0 left, and those ones you're going to put the brass wafers just like that on the slot. But anyway, when you're done, all you need to do is just twist it counterclockwise, and that's it. Your combination is set up. You can see right now it's locked. It won't let me open. But if I'm going to press 1B09, it will let me to unlock it. Now, again, to lock it, you have to twist it because it's not auto locking. That way it's locked again. And again, you can use any sequence. So 910B allow you to open it again. Okay, let's move on. Put our back plate back and finish the installation. Carefully put the screw. Okay. After we finish with the actual setting combination, all right, so here we are. Now we're gonna put the plastic cover on the thumb turn, just like this. And your sticker lock and unlock is gonna be on the top, of course. They also provided those small pieces of straw that you can put right there. Another one. All right, that's just helping you out with installation of the side screws. And let's put it in. Putting the two side screws. Alright, before final tightening the screws, make sure that your keypad is sitting straight on the door, so you won't need to untighten and again fix that issue. Okay, so we are done with the installation, and this is how it looks when it's done. So putting your combination code, I choose 1B09, will unlock the door, and just by turning it to the lock, well, it's basically counterclockwise, it will lock it back. So that's pretty much it. Now if you do want to use the high security provided keys, you just insert the key. Now it doesn't matter on which side because there's a telescopic pin key, so you just twist it and you can lock it back using the key. So the key pretty much override the lock, and that's it, guys. Also, you can open and lock it using the provided thumb turn. Works really good. I'm very happy with this lock, and it's very easy to change the combination as well. Remember, just use 4-digit. You don't need more than that, and it will definitely increase security as well. Okay, so now you know how to install this mechanical keypad deadbolt the professional way. And if you do want to win and get one of those locks for free, as I mentioned, I got 5 of them. All you need to do, just write the best comment down below in the description of this video, like and share. That's it, that's all you need to do to enter. And in my next video, I will announce who is the winners. Okay, also I share a link down below in the description where you can read reviews and also purchase this lock, so make sure to check that out as well. If you're new to my channel, consider subscribing, and also make sure to take the bell so you don't miss any new videos when I release them. Also check out my previous videos about some awesome smart locks, and I will see you in my next one. Thank you so much.